What's the meaning of ballad opera? Ballad opera. Ballad opera.
Ballad opera. Ballad opera. A ballad opera is a type of English musical stage production that emerged in the early 18th century. It is characterized by its use of popular tunes and simple ballad-style songwriting to tell a narrative story, often with political or social commentary. The term ballad refers to the simple, folk-like style of the songs, while opera suggests a more elevated form of entertainment. Ballad operas were typically satirical in nature, often poking fun at contemporary politics, society, and culture. They were popular with the working-class audiences of the time, who enjoyed the witty lyrics and catchy tunes. Some of the most famous examples of ballad opera include John Gay's The Beggar's Opera and Bertolt Brecht's The Threepenny Opera.